Hello friends. So in this video I am going to explain how to create Git repository on a GitHub account. So the purpose of creating this repository is to, like, suppose we have a team. Okay, so in team basically suppose we have a 3 or a 4 members, or you can consider like multiple members suppose we have, and we want to work on that source code. So in this case we need to create one repository where we can place our source code, so that each team member can take the checkout and work on that code, that checkout code base, and they can simply commit their source code so that it will get available to other team member. Okay, so the whole flow is like, first we create one Git repository on the GitHub account, and I will also showcase like how we can clone that repository in our local machine. Okay, here I am going to create one repository on a Git account. So let me log in into this GitHub account, and okay, so the first step is, once you logged in into this GitHub account, on a home page you will get this new icon. Okay, so in this section, suppose here, suppose you didn't find this option, then you need to go to this repository sections. Okay, so you will get this button here, or you can go this home page, and here you will also get this new button. Okay, so to create new repository you just need to click on this new button. Okay, so here you need to provide a repository name, and here we can provide descriptions. So let me give some repository name, demo, demo 1. See, here it is showing like it is available. Descriptions I can put like, I am going to store demo 1 related files. In the next section you can see here public. Okay, so by default, if we are going to create any Git repository on GitHub, then it will be public. Want to create private, so here you can see private is also there. So in public section you can see like anyone on the internet can see this repository, and you can choose who can commit. Private repository, you need to select this private option. So private option means only you can able to access, or the user that you will allow, those user can access this repository. Okay, so here I am going to create this repository as a private. If you want to add readme file, then you can also add this readme file by clicking on this toggle button, and you just need to hit this button, create repository. Yeah, great. So here you can see this repository get created successfully. Let me go to this repository sections, and here you can see demo 1 private, and the description is also displaying here. So here we have successfully created Git repository. Now we are able to store our details or contents or source code files in this repository. Okay, so how we can do this? If we want to add or use this repository, then we just need to clone it first in our local system. Okay, currently it is available inside GitHub account, but to start work on it, we just need to clone it in our local machine. So here I am going to clone this repository. So to clone this repository, we just need to click here, and here you can see we have a Git provided multiple options: HTTPS, SSH, and GitHub CLI. So here I am going to use one simplest way to clone this repository, which is HTTPS. So here you can see the copy button is also there. You just need to click here. So I have successfully copied this URL. So now it's time to clone this repository. So let me go to my document directory, and here I'm going to create one directory called my repo, and in this directory I'm going to open this git bash here. So in this CLI window you just need to write this command git clone, and you just need to provide the git repository full path and hit the enter button. Okay, so here you can see it is showing done. So it means the repository get successfully cloned in our local system, and here you can see readme file is also available. Okay, so here you can see we are successfully created this repository in our Git account, and here we are able to clone it in our local machine.